everyone. Today I'm bringing a little whimsy to life by creating a one-of-a-kind dog planner. I'll start off with sketching out my idea. Now, full disclaimer, I am not a professional artist, and my drawings, well, they're more for brainstorming than gallery walls, but they help me bring my ideas to life. So first start off by sketching out what my goal is. Then the next step is rolling out a nice even slab of clay. This will be the base for your planter. And then here's the fun part. For a shape, I use a rubber ball as a mold. I'll inflate the ball and then carefully shape the clay around it to form the planter's base. With the base ready, it's time to give our planter some personality. I start with the face, adding the jowls, a cute nose, and then big expressive eyes. Then I'll add the floppy ears. And I keep it simple using basic tools like a pin tool, a syringe for those adorable eyes, and some texture tools to help add some extra detail and charm. And of course, no dog is complete without a tail. So I sculpt a playful tail just to finish the look. After that, I let the piece set up for a few hours so it firms up a bit. That's it. A whimsical dog planner ready to bring some joy to any space. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for creative projects. See you next time.